Burn fat naturally with a $5 a day meal strategy. What if I told you that for just a little over $5 a day, you could literally melt fat without the gym, without supplements, and without starving yourself? Sounds unbelievable, right? But here's the shocking part. Science says it's 100% real. This is the world's most affordable, science-backed fat loss meal plan. It's budget-friendly, simple to follow, and surprisingly delicious. An ordinary guy named Jeff tried it, and in just 7 days, he saw his body fat visibly melt away, just by sticking to this plan. Each meal is carefully designed to include at least 20 grams of protein, adding up to around 150 grams of protein and 2,000 calories a day. The scientifically proven balance for effective fat loss. No fads, no starvation, just smart nutrition that works with your metabolism, not against it. So stay tuned, because in the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly what to buy, how to prepare it, and the science that makes this plan so powerful. And here's the best part. You can easily customize this plan according to your weight and gender, making it completely tailored to your body's needs. But before we dive deeper, if you're someone who loves science-based, real transformation insights, make sure to subscribe to the Clinical Discovery channel and hit that bell icon. Because here, we don't follow viral myths. We uncover the real science behind what actually works. Research shows that real fat loss only happens when your nutrition and protein ratio are perfectly balanced. According to Harvard Health, people who follow a high-protein, moderate-carb meal plan experience up to a 42% increase in fat oxidation, meaning their bodies start burning stored fat for energy instead of holding onto it. That's why every single meal in this plan is designed with scientific precision. Your morning begins with a power meal. Overnight oats made with oats, Greek yogurt, and protein powder. The soluble fiber in oats helps maintain a healthy gut and keeps insulin spikes under control, one of the main culprits behind fat storage. Meanwhile, the calcium and probiotics found in Greek yogurt are scientifically proven to boost metabolism and accelerate fat burning. Next comes one of the smartest fat loss hacks ever: freezer burritos. Now, don't think of this as just a quick convenience meal. Think of it as a strategic fat loss weapon backed by nutritional science. Here's why. Both chicken and beans are slow-digesting proteins, meaning they keep you full, stable, and energized for hours. No crashes, no cravings. And when you swap a regular white flour tortilla for a whole wheat or low-carb version, your calorie control becomes almost surgically precise. Then comes something surprisingly simple: just one apple. Sounds too basic to matter, right? But according to a 2023 study from Cornell University, the polyphenols in apples actually suppress the genes that signal your body to store fat, meaning fat is blocked before it even has a chance to build up. So what you're really doing here is creating a rhythm, a small daily habit that leads to a visibly leaner, sharper, and more energized body. And now comes the highlight of the dinner plan: fat loss fried rice. Don't let the name fool you. This isn't a fancy recipe, it's a scientifically balanced meal. You're using 3 eggs, a bit of rice, some green peas, and garlic, a combination that delivers the perfect macronutrient balance. The amino acids in eggs help stimulate growth hormones and accelerate metabolism, while peas provide fiber and vitamin B, ensuring steady, lasting energy throughout the evening. And here's the best part. This mix allows your body to burn calories efficiently without ever triggering that starvation mode that slows down fat loss. When those late-night sugar cravings hit, the protein smoothie is your best weapon. Blending frozen banana, peanut butter, and protein powder helps your body shift into overnight fat burn mode, thanks to slow-digesting proteins like whey or Greek yogurt. And if you skip protein powder, no problem. Just combine Greek yogurt with a bit of stevia, and you've got an equally effective and completely safe alternative. Now let's talk meal prep, because consistency is where real transformation happens. Freeze your burritos for up to a week and store oats and rice in the fridge for 3 to 4 days. And here's the shocking part. You don't need any complicated formulas. If your weight is on the higher side, slightly increase your rice and peanut butter portions. If it's lower, simply reduce them. That's it. Just simple, evidence-based nutrition. Not magic, just science. Now let's talk about results, because that's what really matters. Jeff lost 1.8 pounds in just 7 days. without going to the gym, without supplements, and without starving himself. And here's the interesting part. He didn't even follow the plan perfectly. You see, real fat loss isn't an overnight trick. It's a nutritional strategy. When your nutrition is properly balanced, your body naturally shifts into fat-burning mode. According to Dr. Lisa Hartwell, a certified nutritionist from UCLA's Metabolic Research Center, the secret to fat loss isn't supplements, it's precision in nutrition. When protein and calorie intake are properly balanced, the body starts using stored fat as fuel. And that's exactly the philosophy behind this plan. So if you're serious about starting your fitness journey, this is your roadmap to real, science-backed fat loss. And if you found this video informative, make sure to subscribe to the Clinical Discovery channel, because in the next video, we'll show you a simple exercise that can double your fat loss when combined with this meal plan.